How to make skin clear and smooth. We know the secrets, you definitely did not expect this. Improper care is one of the most common causes of impurities on the skin, along with genetic predisposition, environmental factors and stress. Daily skin care. Choose the right cleanser. The skin can be dry, oily, or mixed. Choose the one that suits your skin type. Washing products indicate what type of skin they are intended for oily, dry, combination or all skin types. Choose a gentle cleanser that says, for sensitive skin. Harsh products can damage the skin. Wash your face twice a day. Wash your face twice a day, morning and evening. It is especially important to wash your face in the evening to remove daytime makeup from your skin. If you have oily skin, you can wipe your face with a non-comedogenic product several times throughout the day to prevent clogging of the skin pores. Moisturize your skin. When the skin dries, apply a moisturizer to it. It is best to apply a moisturizer to your face every time you wash your face. It is also recommended to apply it before applying makeup. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Thank you for taking the time to watch our content. If you find our video interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for upcoming content. To stay up to date with our latest offerings, kindly click the bell icon. Additionally, we have included some valuable links in the video description below, which we encourage you to check out. We look forward to your continued presence on our channel.